I want to some Jamaican people. Left Jamaica, come here and get a little locker, a little bus of business. Them feel so they want to walk up over everybody and disrespect everybody. Me not stand for that. You understand me I say? Them not no manners. You have meeting with them. You go to bumps and go in a meeting. Them talk. Your time for talk. Them no want to hear. Man, no fuck off, man. You mean? Don't have no meeting with me then. You understand? If you in a meeting and say something to me, one for one, personally, me and you alone in a meeting, and me a talk about it, or you tell me if you leave it in a the meeting. If you never want to come out, don't tell me. You understand me I say? Don't tell me. Because that's mine. Because when you give me, I me. My own. Me use it when me want, how me want. I want to them, man. I bet you not go on to Jamaica with people. All America can from the rich foreign. You just start act like, you know what I mean? You're not better than people. And my granny always tell me so, you know. The higher the monkey climb, I'm more exposed. So go and climb, because you're exposed. You dip on your ass, you will drop off. You see me I say? It's all good. Yeah, man. This is for Jamaican people in America with a business and employ people. Them act like say boy, the next Jamaican somebody. You know what I mean? You talk to them anywhere. Eh? You talk to them so. Not me a blood clot. After me no dopey bat. How the brown buckler do now? I just go suck something soft and leave me alone.